In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or turn off Google Calendar event notifications, whether you're trying to streamline your notifications or eliminate distractions to better manage your time. Tweaking the settings on your Google Calendar can be incredibly useful. And don't worry, it's all pretty straightforward once you know where to look. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to open up Google Calendar on your desktop browser. So go ahead and fire up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're already signed into your Google account, it should take you straight to your calendar view. If not, just log in by following the usual sign-in steps. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is the settings icon. Clicking it will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see the option for settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see several options listed here, but the one you want to click on is Event Settings. Selecting Event Settings will bring up a variety of options related to how your Google Calendar handles reminders and notifications. Next, focus your attention on the section labeled Notifications. This is where all the magic happens. Here you have the flexibility to modify the default notification time. For example, if your events are set by default to notify you 10 minutes before they start, but you find that's not enough time, you can tweak this setting to alert you 30 minutes or even an hour before, whatever works for you. Alternatively, if you're looking to turn off notifications altogether, you can do just that by selecting None. This is a great option if you prefer to keep your day running smoothly without interruptions from your calendar. Simply click on None and voila, your notifications are turned off. And here's the best part, the changes you make will be saved automatically. There's no need to click a save button or worry about losing your settings. Google Calendar takes care of it for you instantly, ensuring that everything's updated as soon as you're done tweaking the settings. So, there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adjusting or disabling your Google Calendar event notifications. Customizing these settings can really help you take control of your schedule and reduce those unnecessary pings on your desktop. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.